We have this in the whole line. This all four is about niacinamide and vitamin E focused, which means it is a very soothing product for my sensitive skin girlies out there. So this toner is called vitamin E plus niacinamide hydrating toner. Historically, toners were used to kind of balance out the pH level of your face after you cleanse, but the good thing about this toner now is that it has this extra ingredients, and that those ingredients do so much more than just balancing your pH level. Because let's just walk right into it. It has this formula of niacinamide. Crown eye! That's my cat. Sorry. Stop it. She's running behind the backdrop. I was talking about this unique formula with niacinamide in it. So if you don't know what niacinamide is, it's an essential ingredient, especially as you age. Basically, it's vitamin B3 that fulfills the nourishment to your skin. This toner can be one of the solution for so many skin issues, really, as toners are essential step in skincare that balances pH and prepares skin for rest of the skincare. They also made it more nourishing and beneficial with vitamin E plus niacinamide. I'll put the entire ingredient list on screen for you guys, but as you guys can see, the humectants are on top, which means they are on higher concentration or quantity. You can see niacinamide at top. Also there is a sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid, so it helps keep the moisture on your skin. And because I like this ingredient list so much, I feel like I've been using it as an essence, like how Korean uses as their essences. They apply it and then they wait for 2 minutes and then they reapply it and then repeat for 3-4 times for that bouncy look. This can give you that kind of feel to it. You can really use this as an essence. I've been doing that quite a lot, but again, it's a toner. I did not get paid to talk about them. I just feel like this particularly this line is very affordable and true to its ingredient based science. Also, it's cruelty free brand. I know some of you really only choose cruelty free skincare, so just so you know. And that's it for today's video. I will see you tomorrow.